to find your clipboard on Android. If you are using your default Android keyboard, then it is very easy to find your clipboard. Open any application that would allow you to open your keyboard. It could be your WhatsApp, messages, or notes. Here I have opened notes. Now click anywhere to make the keyboard appear. Once the keyboard appears, at the very top you will see different kind of icons. Right beside the settings icon, you will see the clipboard icon. Click on it, and just like that, you will be able to see all the things that you have copied. By using Clipboard, you can copy multiple items at the same time and paste it. Now click on any items on the clipboard to paste them. So this is how you can use your clipboard on your keyboard. However, the clipboard option might not be available in some keyboards. If you are using any of the random keyboards from Play Store, then the clipboard option might not be available. In almost every default keyboard, the clipboard option is available, including some of the keyboard that are available on Play Store. If you go to the Play Store and search for keyboard, you will see different kind of applications. In some application, for example the Gboard, the clipboard option is available. But in others, such as this one, the clipboard option is not available. That's all for today. Thank you.